will not get the feeling, say that he gets
Listen to me. Listen to me. Everybody is different, but that one is a That's not that one is a personal.
No, me they tell you now. Before you they say you want to do gada. May tomorrow not come, you can't tell you the truth. Now you nearly fall for train station. Go do your children.
You don't have to fall. You don't have to fall. If you woman break your heart, waiting you will need to do.
If he tell you say not be you get the children tomorrow, what do you want to do?
You don't give a F. You don't give a F. You have to go on, move on.
Which tribe you be?
I be a man.
Okay, you don't forget children for Nigeria.
My pikin don't finish university.
No wonder, I make you not value her.
Okay, now so you take conclude that.
Yes, now because for you to say you not care, if you not be you get the pikin, they tell you say, may you do DNA, they come to and say no be you get her. You not care, you move on. Just like that. Can you imagine? Now I make you not value the woman. Now maybe they do comparison. You understand? When they do comparison with your woman, say my pikin dey university, you don't finish this one for the one way una too dey struggle for you.
Let me ask you one thing. If you happen to be judge, other which section you dey judge me now?
Other the law is number 5 versus lawyer 13. Now the law will be say na section 180. Now they give you so. So you have to be very calm. Because of say say the woman fair do road work. You dey use her against her every time.
No. I never use that. I'm just saying.
Now you talk and say that prostitute. Now
listen to me. I'm just saying when you marry a prostitute, you have to be careful.
Okay, so now Asha you marry put for us.
How do you go when they be Asha be Asha?
No, not be on now.
Hey, please, bros, Osas, if you let me talk to this.
Mona talk.
Please, sir, can you just mute for a minute, please? I want to tell you
something. Let them mute too. I go mute.
No, I don't want to ask her a question. I want just talk to her and advice. So, not be question.
Okay.
Please, I want to tell everybody something here. You know, girl who never pass through heartbreak. You understand? Even if na marriage or relationship, not be do or die affair. Who be that one now? And Brother Sasso, if you marry today or you dey relationship, your partner leave you, not be bad thing. You understand me? At that moment, you go sit down, ask yourself question, if now you dey wrong. Even if say not be you dey wrong, the person just decide to leave you, If na mourn, you want mourn. If na cry, you want cry for how many months or how many years? How many years it go take you to take heal? Do that. And make sure say you try to move on from that person. Everybody now human being. Even you where they talk to, they say, this person do me this thing. So because of what that person do me, how come they use that against everybody, or they talk say all women are this or all men are this.
Hello, sorry, auntie, wait, bros.
What the?
You hear me? But bros,
I know you.
You get another baby mama for Jamie now.
No, that one. Even if say somebody want be that one, I think should go for that one. That one not do me anything. I mean wrong that one.
Okay. But you get another baby mama for Germany, you get one for you. If they don't hold you well now, you go even born like seven baby mama.
I want to become
okay, but so she you talk just now say now you wrong that one where they Germany.
Yes.
Okay, that one where they Germany now where you wrong now. If he can't come up one day now, they talk about men are this, you go they happy or they insult you.
No.
Wait, or if they insult you, you go they happy.
Listen, she be say na me wrong. Not be say if I take say na me wrong.
Yes,
it's for me not
I understand. And I not judge you say you dey wrong.
Even the woman for Austria be they call me now and want come up.
That one hoot. You know what else they call a hoot.
Brussels, I feel your stock because na the man.
I be never true before Brussels interrupt me.
Wait. Who want talk?
Now me they talk before you interrupt me.
I know because una talk una don't know the main matter. That they call
no,
me
not be the main matter. I just they try give
No,
advice to everybody.
not
Make
the
them
advice.
stop
We don't need
today.
that
They
advice
should
now.
move
We
on
don't need that
and
advice.
read.
We don't need that advice.
Because now me the bros say he won't talk about. Now make a rap over to make I wait me.
Now you be the baby mama.
God forbid. Which can cause me that one?
I dey ask now, no verse. Because the person they call me for phone say, bros, don't be so it happen, we not be ashawo. So
Every woman, listen to me. I repeat again. Anybody who want us insult me, every woman, as soon as I'm concerned, every woman before they don't marry, they are ex-prostitute. Make them go tell their pikin. Say if their pikin ask them, say
Your mama too. Your mama too.
You lie. Stop that.
you stay that defend it.
See,
Stop that.
try to
Stop
move
your man.
on. Last break you get. Not be any try to move on. I stop insulting women.
You when you keep quiet,
People
your
that they try to move on, they try to heal from heartbreak. Heartbreak not be death penalty, penalty now.
What you want? Professional. If I may ask, what was your professional?
Heal. Now heartbreak you get. You know me. Other women, they if woman say no me, you move on.
I not get heartbreak. I just have to correct the other single man. When we say
when you dey correct, it doesn't make sense. The heartbreak, you never heal. You never heal. Try to move on.
Let me ask you something.
This habit not too much. This habit of some women or some men coming up insulting their baby fathers and their baby mothers or their ex is not right.
Listen to me.
Make una stop to dey
You
insult
will be
una
born
ex.
by mistake. Now they call one woman Ashawo.
What is your first occupation?
Your
What is your
mama
first-
na Ashawo na
Your
take
papa
born you.
for
Na make you
Nigeria
dey
na
like this. Na the frustration wey your mama take born you. Na
Any
dey
small
insult
thing una go
you.
just come and dey insult
Wow,
una
no,
ex
where
and the
be
ex one na
all
dey
this
insult
work?
you. There are moments wey be say
Good
we
one.
no dey happy, they love each other. Because una no come dey again now, una go
Na
just
the
come
women
and
wey
dey
dey
talk
give
about
you, wey dey give
doesn't
you
make
chop.
sense
Na
now.
blame, no be your fault.
Mama no go Europe. Mama no go Europe.
Your mama do Ashawo for Isha
Where
na.
did you go for Europe?
You forget say your
What
mama do
was your
Ashawo
first?
for
What was
Isha.
your first occupation?
Na Isha wey your mama for do
I want to
Ashawo.
talk
Na
Your
dey
first
take born you.
occupation
You
is
are born by
prostitute. You
mistake.
cannot deny that.
Why do
A good
I
man like
want
you,
to
woman
talk
say he
to
no
you.
want you. That's life. Accept your
I want
fate.
to
It's
talk
not
to
a big deal.
Your
You
mama.
are running for your.
Your
You are
mama.
running for your evil that you are committing. You are
Mona
running
dey
for
try
your.
to move on, Mona dey try to move on
What
because
take care
this
of your
habit is
children
too
when you are
much.
bad
Why
of
should
a
you move
woman?
on?
They wait
Why
say
should you
children
move on?
grow,
If you
they'll
tell
come
woman
back,
say you dey fuck and say you no
you.
want born pikin, go tell you say you be bad person. He come born pikin finish. He come out turn you to say maybe na you bad.
I
Why
dey
the
blame
time
for
when you
women.
get
I
that? Why
dey
you
know
don't
na
swallow?
dey look men.
And frustration na dey worry
This
you.
one na even human being.
Frustration
My
na
belly
dey
me,
worry
I
you.
feel na dey watch.
Na so you go get like
camera.
5
I
baby
beg
With this
open your
your
mama
camera,
character,
plenty
na
bros.
for the women wey
which
dey
woman wan
plenty
stay
for
with
you.
you? With this
Una
your
wey
All
dey
good
talk
one.
so.
exhibit.
On your
Una
camera,
wey
bros. I
listen
don't
to
send you
me.
the link. Touch am
Una
make you
wey
see
una
back.
wey
Men
una wey
On
dey
the
talk so.
camera.
Una wey dey talk so.
Bros, on your camera. Bros, on your camera.
Yes, he's in pain. That's why I'm not even
Bros, on your
insulting him. The
camera.
man dey in pain. He's in pain and he should
You
try
go,
to
you
heal.
must
I'm not in
talk
pain.
another people
I'm
matter.
not in
They
pain.
trust
I'm not
you.
in pain. Very soon I go knock out that marriage.
Wow.
I go
The
finish
thing not
marriage.
just they had you.
And
you
you like
want blame,
another
not be the
marry and na
women.
shower
Make
na
women they
you dey
look
carry
first because as this man be so
na
say
marriage
you
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 na to
can
get
never
woman for
settle
house
with
na you dey
one
take
woman
marry am.
for
Why
Go
your
should I
pay
be
entire
bride
married?
price.
Ebo.
Yes.
Ebo.
idiot.
O
Na
ṣe
really
àyè
Ebo. Who should be Ebo?
ọgbẹ bá
Ebo
dá ẹ ẹgbẹ bá dá ẹ
Pastor
drop
said that
poly
Ebo,
drop
Ebo
poly ẹgbẹ bá
Wait,
dá
wait,
ẹ.
wait. If I say
Ebo.
sexy
Ọ̀nà
level,
ọkọ mi
Ebo.
ọ̀nà
sexy level,
ọ̀nà wo kọ̀ wọ̀
Obi.
sexy
ẹgbẹ
level,
bá dá ẹ.
Like
Obi.
sexy level,
Samani awale oko ho
I think that's sexy level. Because you see, how many single
oko
mothers are there here? Make her recall her. How many single mothers are there? There is about 4.
Always, see,
I not be single mother. Abeg.
Correct yourself o.
I no be single mother.
Don't even go there and
You know what
play.
an bad
Dey hear
thing?
me?
I just start here.
I not be single
Single
mother.
mother even better pass your
Single
mama.
mother leave you.
Single mother better pass your mama.
What you
You
not
they
do?
just
I
born
say
you.
you are.
Your mama go do her
Always
self. Now they take care of
Now,
your
man, now
body.
woman see you
Wow,
one way.
wow.
You go
Eh,
move
wait.
on.
You no get
Eh,
mother.
eh,
What
left,
for you?
left, for
What
one.
will be your first occupation? What will be your first occupation for you? Tell
Not
me
be
too.
your mama,
Shut
your
up,
mama set
Baba, when life
occupation, like
come,
they are
What is your first occupation?
Ogbonisa, Ogbonisa, Gwale Ana, Ogbonisa
Im
bi,
mama na witch, I know. Im mama na witch. Im mama na enemy brother.
Be that out again. What is your first
Ogbonisa, Oya
What will be your
Fewe.
first occupation for Europe now?
Not be your mama, your mama set
I know,
occupation,
and I
like
make me
they are
climb
here.
up. I
That's
know
what
I
I'm
be
saying.
all the
And
time.
you
Na
are
witch.
Ebo,
Ogbonisa,
What you want to do?
wa Why do you work very
When
good?
you build
When
the
no
Austria, when
longer
you build the four flat,
Razua.
then you deny so. You are not proud of your job.
Obi
You are
ata
not
mo no
proud of your job.
Obi ata mo.
You know, say as if your brother dey proud.
Na
You know, say
so
as if your brother dey
happy.
proud, say be prostitute. Why can't you proud of what you did before? Don't
It's
say as if
No,
intro
you're
down. It's
proud of
intro
what you
down.
did.
It's intro
Put
down. Oh
your
yeah,
guy.
oh yeah, beer you be why we yan yan
Abeg,
go no
una
ya
fit wait,
beer
man.
no say
Let me talk to
I
Orwe,
don't want
please.
to
I want
talk.
to talk to him.
okay,
Let
I'm
me talk
listening.
to him.
Yeah, I'm
Orwe,
listening.
please. Orwe, please. I'm begging
Okay,
you.
thank you very much for that.
I understand. I understand what you're going through. It's a normal thing. Nobody when woman or man ever leave. It's a normal thing. That's not. It's uncalled for now. Why will you come out insulting your baby mama? That she's a prostitute. It doesn't make sense.
No,
There are
okay,
other
sorry,
women.
sorry.
Please,
Okay,
Orwe, please. I'm still
Let me
talking.
retrieve.
Please
Listen to me.
wait.
Listen to me.
No, wait. Now you will talk.
Let
Don't
me
worry.
repeat
Let
my
me
word.
finish.
Okay,
Let me
okay,
finish now. Let me
okay,
finish, please.
okay.
I'm not talking to only you because I've been seeing some women or some men coming up insulting their baby fathers or their heirs because they broke their heart. It's a normal thing. If marriage, the other partner for marriage say no want again, you let her go. You understand? You swap, you
exactly.
go, you heal. As in, if you want cry. No, how many years you want to cry? Move on. That will not mean say you can come out tomorrow. They wish the person bad, or they insult her. They call the person names. Now both man and woman they talk to you.
Okay,
It
sister.
doesn't make sense.
Okay,
Okay,
sister, God will bless
please.
you. Sister, God will bless you. Sister, God will bless you. Do you know this stupid ex prostitute? It make me to deal
You
with.
you
It make me
you
to
you
offend
you are still
another
calling
woman.
her name. You are still calling her name.
For
It
you to
doesn't make
even dey
sense
call a
now.
woman name like that, you call
It don't
women
make
go one
sense.
bottle
Stop
for you.
it.
That means
I
if
know
you're
you
not
are in
let
pain,
there.
but at least
Sorry,
try and move
sorry,
on.
sorry. But that was her first occupation in Europe. That was her.
See, let me
That
tell
was
you
her first
something.
Animal
Let
wey
me
occupation.
tell you something.
animal
What's
wey
your
true
Orwe?
animal. Now
Orwe.
you
You
be.
are saying women in Europe are prostitutes, right? What about women in
No, no, no,
Nigeria?
no, no,
Wait,
no,
let
no,
me
no,
talk.
no,
No,
no.
wait,
Sorry, sorry,
Let
sorry,
me
sorry,
talk
sorry.
to you. Wait.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
you are telling me now that women in Nigeria are not prostitutes.
No,
What is a
okay.
prostitute
Are
first?
you?
Can
Are
you
you?
define can you define a prostitute for me?
Favor, thank you. Ask
Yes,
him.
Define
yes,
a
yes,
prostitute, please.
yes,
Exactly.
yes,
Ask
yes.
him
Are you
favor.
ready to calm down?
Define it. I'm
Let me.
listening.
Okay, let me now tell you what is prostitute. Like it's your
Okay.
birthday now. It's your birthday. Come outside. I said she's a
No,
prostitute.
listen to me. See, I asked you a question. Can you just go straight to the point? What
Okay,
is a
yes, I'm
prostitute?
giving a reference.
Who is a prostitute? Just give me your own definition of prostitute,
Okay,
please.
like what I understand by prostitute, any girl that they bring for Europe, then she refused to go and do normal job and decided to go for road and be collecting maybe 10 euro, 15 euro, 20 euro, and he think he want to save his mother from poverty. It's a prostitute, which that was their occupation before they will now decide to go and work. After they fought to born one pikin, they will not stop. To say okay, I will not do that work again.
I've heard you. Like I understand what you just said, that prostitute is somebody they brought from Africa to Europe to go and be prostituting, sleeping with men, collecting 10 euro, according to you, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
What you are telling me now is that there are no women in Nigeria that are doing such.
Okay, you see now, you see somebody
No,
ask me question.
listen, yes or
Listen now,
no?
listen,
Yes or no? Wait, see, I dey
listen.
ask you question. Yes or
Okay.
no?
Yes, yes, yes.
And
Yeah.
for you see that your definition of a prostitute is
Yeah.
incorrect.
Okay.
Just go to Google. Google go tell you
Madam, why
say
you dey romance
no,
this man?
no,
You
bro.
not fit ask her
Mama,
what
I dey
about
go
the women when their
somewhere.
husband
Yes,
dey
God, this
come?
woman get
I
character. This woman get character. You people say
Waiting.
you romance
I
me.
know the romance.
You
I dey go
get
somewhere.
character.
You know say sometimes say when
But
person dey in pain, you get when some
mother,
people go dey talk. Wait now, wait.
we
See.
see. Me
Orwe,
no fit dey
calm
pay.
down.
I no fit dey
Wait.
pay.
Orwe, you will talk. Wait, let me just finish. You know, say sometimes when
Okay.
people they talk, talk in pain. I don't know. You understand? So I know they blame them. Waiting, we go just try to do now to try to they correct them so that they go feel heal well.
They can never heal.
And you
Go
are
for
saying a
therapy. Not be
prostitute.
social media you want change you.
They can never
prostitute.
heal.
Now
If you want
woman
heal,
when
you
he
have it for
say
social media.
he don't sleep with more than one man.
Favor, can I say
Okay,
something?
okay.
No, favor,
You
How the
dey
people
hear
wey go
me?
Europe
So
wey
you
do
say, listen
woman?
to me,
No,
Orwe.
no,
You
no, no,
say women in Europe
favor.
are prostitutes and the women in Nigeria are not prostitutes. You are a liar.
I never said.
At fact, you
Listen
are
to
not
me.
a virgin. You cannot come here and say women in Europe are while in Nigeria they are
Favor.
not prostitutes. Don't say that. Don't say that. And for a
Okay,
point
okay.
of correction, women are not
Again?
prostitutes.
Can I
Okay?
come again? Can I come again? Can I come
Women are
again?
not
No, no,
prostitutes.
no, no, let's calm down. Listen to me now.
If
Let's
you
calm
are
down.
hot, go
Don't
and
pass
try and
it up.
heal. Stop saying
Okay,
women are prostitutes
no.
because one
Listen to
woman
me.
hurts you. It's not
Listen
right,
to me.
okay?
Maybe
It
somebody
don't
ask me
do.
now, say, listen to me. Maybe somebody ask me also, say whether I get woman for gender. I say that one. If the person come say one beat that one, I go even fight that one. I go even fight that
Because you
person.
hurt that one, Abi. Shey you hurt that woman. If that woman can't come on live video, they insult you. The way you they insult the woman where it
No, that
hurts
one
you,
said
now
no.
you go
That
feel.
one said no free even come. That one
Wetin
no
dey
free even
happen?
come.
Wait, wetin dey happen?
But you feel come now, you insult the woman where it hurts you.
Now. Wetin dey happen?
Let me tell you what happen. This man is in pain. The man is in pain
I'm not
because
in pain.
woman break
Mona,
his
See,
heart.
wait now. Mona,
Wait,
wait.
Orue, let me explain to him because he was not here when all this were happening. Orue came here, started insulting his baby mama. He said his baby mama na ashawo, his baby mama na prostitute. Because say the woman leave her for marriage, say he not want the marriage again. He can't now we can't fire am back say e no good. Why go dey call women? And why even talk say all women in Europe na prostitutes, say all women for Europe na ashawo.
Point of correction.
It doesn't
Listen to
make
me. Point of
sense.
correction.
Mona,
Listen
wait.
to me. Listen to me.
Mona, wait.
Listen to me. Point of
HP,
correction.
wait. HP, wait.
Okay.
You call your woman Ashawo.
I say all the women for Europe.
No.
When mother carry come, there be ex-prostitute. Now this woman call refer to my woman.
No, he call the woman ashawo. He call his baby mama ashawo.
Wait now, me we digest this thing now. Everybody dey do our we not go know where we dey go. But this one a big allegation. I dey here, I know this man well. I go dey call the woman Ashawo.
Yes.
Mona, wait.
Okay, Rambo. Let me talk now. Do you know what happened? Do you know after me with those woman still there? He invite me say make I go party. I tell us I know they go take because I get business when I want go do. The next he say it already they fall in love. When we sit under friendship or when we sit under marriage, he say it already they fell in love with another man. What will I call that? Is that not a prostitute? That's a prostitute. That's what she told me. And he said it on phone. He tell me say
HP, wait. He tell you when you dey, you don't say you go pay your bride price that time, abi?
yes.
You marry this woman
After we don't come. Yes, after I marry her, after we don't come, we tell me say me we go this evening on New Year day. I don't buy that go give them. I can't say I dey do business. I get people when I need to attend to if I come. The next thing we go come, he say, hey, he say me we dey go party. Me say me no will go. Say he don't even get person when he don't dey love. Say he don't even hate. Now say, oh wow, that make it. I must go in police. I must go in house. Now tell her say phone when I buy for you. I buy a Z4. I buy that phone 500 something euro. I said, right now, give me my phone. You cannot use my phone to be calling another man. Give me my phone. The next thing I go talk, he call police. I tell police come. Police come.
Wait. He call police for you.
He call police for me. You know me now. You know I be rugged guy now. Police come now. Police don't do anything now. Police come tell me say, hey man, you have to go home. I say no. I need to get my phone. Police say no. Say the woman saying I tell the police say if he say I dey beat am, make him show where he dey now. Me with am go court o. We go court o. Police when I go court, judge come tell me say he go give me 6 months say I wound am for man. After judge say you are lying. Judge come tell me say if I make appeal, he go make say I go say I tell judge say you are lying. You dey lie. Now I appeal. Now I go court again. Now I go another court again after 6 months. Now I tell judge say it's better say you put me for 6 months. It's better say I no go am from here go prison. Than say you go tell me say you give me 6 months down. I tell her say I will do more than I will do times 2. Again, I tell her say ladders not be anything for me. Ladders, I just go there, go relax. Now so they can't make appeal. I can't make appeal. As I make appeal.
Wait,
as I make appeal.
Wait, I beg. We carry you go police station.
He call police for me.
He bring juju for you.
Juju no. He call police for me.
He call police for you.
He call police for me, yes.
These two couples now very sweet.
You said?
I said these two couples. I dey tell comments
Epa. Now so you want some?
What fine guy now? Osas na house loud. Na house like you dey see, not be joke.
Rambo, I fit talk to this guy back.
Wait.
Police for me.
Wait. Na house like you dey see, not be go come.
But sorry, Epa Rambo.
No, na wait now.
Ask her wetin you do now.
I don't like waiting. Leave waiting. Wait. I'm going somewhere. I'm not my person. Mona wait. If they pay me, my heart they bleed as I dey here. Why this person will be do like that? And I the
Okay.
You don't get children for you. Wait. You na elderly man. And this woman don't get children for you, no matter what. You're not supposed to come here, call the call and say, nah, you understand? I don't want to use that word. Because not taboo and I'm not even.
Okay, Rambo.
You know, Ashawo na call her. Ashawo na call her. You call her Ashawo.
Now, I dey tell you now, say, I dey tell you now, say, I start to be corrected anytime, any day. I say, this woman don't that marriage. When we get problem, he say, he don't dey date, he don't dey friend another man. When we say we never broke up. That what I call that one, it's a prostitute. It's a prostitute
to call
that
the
I
woman in
can
name
start
for
to
the woman,
correct.
but why referring to all the women? Why
Yeah, that's how I cut our. You see all the women
yes,
go for
why referring to
prostitute.
all the
That was
women?
what he said. You see all the women are prostitutes.
Try to call your woman any name
Yeah,
you
your
want
woman
call
fit
her
call her
so
in
that
your
she pay
name.
her bad price. But no, don't refer to
So
all
when
the
he
women.
when he come tell me say,
Yeah,
when he
Mona wait. Who they talk?
when he come tell me say, he don't dey talk another man dey talk when he don't dey love. Na there come match.
HP.
Yeah.
I go call your wife. I go call her.
Rambo. You know why I come your this thing, so I dey find where to give a message. I want make it come challenge me. You see that brief favor come outside. If
Now
anybody
say this man wants make the matter happen. I don't want to put her for tomorrow, Rambo.
If this woman still come outside, and I go see make her again. I go see make her against her. Make he still go make this thing. I go see make her again against her. Because if they do flood, where you don't know. Me na drug dealer. Make you go tell police I don't go prison put. I be drug dealer. Police no be for Austria. I know if you go prison, but he got many prison when he go. I'm a drug dealer. Police don't catch me for many time. My crime, they don't punish me put. So nobody can punish me again. I've been punished for my crime. But the crime where you don't commit.
You go happy if they arrest your baby mama where your children there with. I mean your children. The government don't collect her.
Man. I not pray make you weakness. Wait your weakness. Do you know? I was taking. Do you know the marriage I did?
HP. I bet send me the number. I won't call her. I beg.
No, your woman will figure it number now because I don't give a F. If you see my woman now when I want marry, I may not say I go find woman where we say a better person. When they okay, when be odogu like when we say
no marry again now. You don't get two women before now. Why you go marry again?
Me, I am capable.
No, 3 women don't feel born for you. 3 women
Marry.
I am capable.
Character no your good. Bros Rambo, you forget to ask her a question. Wetin you do before the woman go meet another
Now
woman?
my brother for my family for my
No, because say you insult us, let us now. You see all women for Europe are prostitutes. Why will you say that?
Okay, I'm Mona not verse. Mona not verse. Wait
Like that.
Mona wait. You go retrieve that word.
Me I not too vex because I know say he's in pain.
I want to retrieve that word.
Mona wait. Mona make everybody wait. I go drop everybody now. My head on the scatter. Mona wait.
I want to retrieve that word.
Wait.
I want to retrieve that word.
He don't late.
I want to retrieve that word now. How many people be Benin person here and maybe Benin women, Benin men? If your wife there on that marriage, which right he get right to go to talk to another man when you come?
No, you don't get right. You don't get right.
He already they marry. He already they fall in love with another man.
HP, can you mute?
Okay, I will do that.
Thank you very much. I dey respect you because you're my senior bro. Yes, I understand your point. Any man with the in pain go use this harsh word where you use. You understand me? But for you now to the tag am, hashtag am, say all women in general. now so them be. No. Most women not be so them be. Maybe you say your own, now so your own be. And like I live for you, to God be the glory. But you generalizing it is a problem. Is a big problem. And women not go take them like that. Because they get people where they straight like this. They know, since when they come Europe, they not even know. Now here then they hear them. You understand? So I not go day here, may you insult a lot of women. And no matter say then they do them. They not come tell you for face, or they not call you say HP come give me 200 euro, make you knock me waiting no good. As far as they not do that one, you must accord some little respect to them. Which so they're supposed to get atom of respect. You're supposed to give them to them. You are not their father, you are not their brother, or you are not their husband or their boyfriend. You're supposed to give them this little respect. I go urge you, may you just tell these people where you tell this thing, say sorry. Please, before me, I get interest for this case of you. I go drop everybody now. Just tell these people sorry before me and the SARS go handle your issue. I beg.
Okay.
I don't
will-
want to make everybody talk. Make it say sorry.
Now, since you talk to me, I will now say I'm sorry for the women who is not in that road, who is not in that protocol, who is not in that road.
This man never ready, I
That road
swear.
get this page. I am not
This
sorry
man
for
know
you,
wetin he dey
but the
do.
woman will not take that road. I am so sorry, and I you people should forgive me. You should find a way to forgive me. But if
My
you take that
brother,
road,
We
Go
never
for therapy.
forgive you because you never talk the sorry way.
okay, let me say you take that road.
Apologize to all
You need
women,
therapy.
all
You
women.
need
You
therapy.
don't need to
If you
know if
get
they
that
take the
road,
road or
I don't
not.
see
Listen
you,
to me.
Rambo.
If you get
Apologize
that
to
road,
all
you
women,
you.
please. Be a man,
How many?
please, sir.
I've apologized.
Rambo,
I
They
say
are
apologize.
women.
You
Don't
talk too
exclude
much.
It's okay.
You talk too
anybody.
much. Man,
it's
no
okay.
dey
Man,
talk
hold
too
on. Man,
much.
it's okay. Rambo, I want you to favor. I want you to favor. One word. I'll tell you one word. Favor. Say sorry to women in Nigeria. Now, say it now. If you don't say it now, tell Rambo to break it down. Favor. Tell sorry to women in Nigeria because what this man
What did
talk.
I say?
I say sorry to as I'm talking. I say sorry to women in Nigeria because
What you
No.
do? What you
Wait
do?
till I
now I
do.
tell
Tell
you
me
what to do.
first. Tell
Hold on,
me.
I tell you what to do. He say that man talk about Europe, women in Europe. If you refer to women in Nigeria, say women in Nigeria are also achawo. That you are a
No,
lady that you
listen
will
to
say
me. You
women in
got me
Nigeria are
wrong.
achawo.
Please, can you,
No,
this
no, no,
man
no,
just
no.
let
sorry.
me
He didn't say
explain.
so. No. That
No,
Favor,
you
is
say
got me
women
wrong.
in
The
Nigeria are
man here
sorry.
referring to women in Europe. He said women in Europe
I'm
are
telling you now, say
prostitutes. So
sorry to
let me
Nigeria.
come still they tell and say,
Yeah,
you go they
yes.
feel now say women when they Nigeria, they
You
not feel
said
they
this.
do
Say
no
women in
show.
Nigeria is achawo too. Say sorry to
Listen,
them.
yeah, see, listen to me.
Don't
I
lie.
didn't
I'm
just
coming.
say
I'm listening to
women in
you.
Nigeria
You
are
even know say,
prostitutes.
you know say,
You
See,
this is
say
why
favor.
nice man.
Favor.
Wait,
Say sorry to women in Nigeria.
they don't
I
keep my
talk.
document.
Nice
My
man,
document
nice
for
Favor.
man.
here.
Rabo, I dey come
They
down
don't
for
keep
this
my
one.
document.
I
I
run for
say,
this one. I won't cut down.
this woman,
Because
they
Which
follow me,
woman
they
you they
talk.
run for?
now
Nice
you
man,
because
nice
you
man.
say to women in Nigeria, Ashawo.
Listen
Nice
to
man,
Say
me,
to
you
them.
listen, let me talk. Now, according to what Orwe talk, Orwe said
Hey,
women in Europe are in a shower. Then I
wait,
asked him, you
Mona,
think that
wait,
women in Europe and women in Nigeria are better than women in Europe?
Mona,
Meaning
wait.
what?
I not like this
So,
hashtag one
I
at the
tell
do.
you before, say I'm married for Africa. When you use
Now,
that
what
word, do I
you
even tell
talk?
you
You
I'm
say
married for
women for.
Africa? I live in Western world. Then you
Wait,
don't
I
supposed
beg, I
to
go
tell
bring
me
you back.
to refer me to a woman in Africa. I live in Western world. You're supposed to refer me to the people who live here because I have the problem here. The problem has to be settled. You don't have to bring people who live in Africa. You never knew if I've been in Africa before.
What is it?
Thank you very much. Very sorry to what my friend just said that all women, he generalized that all women are Oloshosho. I want to say a very big sorry on his behalf. HP, give me your ex-wife number, I beg.
I don't
Because
even get it number again, but your woman feel get it number. I don't get the woman because I don't give a F. I don't get the number
I
again.
want make the number come out from you. I feel make call, I go get the number, but I want make the number come out from you because now you carry this matter come this platform, not be me carry and come. You don't understand because this
Yes, I carried.
I know say
Rambo.
wait
I give a reference.
You
Okay.
get this man number. You get this man number, Rambo. In case if you no fit finish her
If
today,
you don't
we'll
want
knock
get
am
my
tomorrow.
number no dey easy to get. My number dey easy to get. If you go Africa show, you go get under 10 minutes. You don't get my number.
no in a popular. I feel call Matete self. Matete go fit give me a number now. Two of them they this thing. I go like talk to your woman. Or I be my person. You know
My ex-woman.
okay, your ex-woman.
Yeah.
You calling her that name Ashawo way you call her. Now your own this thing, not be another
because
person.
the reason I start to be corrected again. The reason why I use that word.
Yes, I know. Wait, they go somewhere.
Because when he did under married, he never tell me say no they do again. He tell me say don't fall in love with another man. What he tell me now? What he make me mad to you?
I want ask you. You don't return bride price.
I'm not interested because the bride price not be money. Make it pay me trouble when I take buy ticket to go Africa. I'm not interested of 250 naira.
HP, make people know they see now. Say you now you go there at fault. You don't return bride price. She don't return bride price.
Now she say she don't. Now she say she don't return her. So I don't know where she return her put. I don't know. Okay. He say she don't. Before any other thing, he say don't go return the bride price. I don't know.
When two of on a day, it don't they knock another person.
You know say as with the talk, so it's good to be saying the truth. It's good to say the truth because maybe this word can be triggered to another level. Yeah. I never see her and I believe her. And wetin make me go for that marriage? When I come out for prison, I put ear for ground. I don't hear say So when you tell me say go to my account, I can say I don't spend 1 year for Jetel. I don't hear anything. You know date somebody. Now that thing trigger me. After 4 months when I come out for Jetel, now I take go bongo. Go do that marriage. I never come out for Nigeria. I'm like, first go join Yelala. Now that was very problem for Nigeria. I said,
wait. You say
join Yelala. And they call her for phone.
Wait, she go join.
After we don't do marriage finish, me go back to Lagos. Because na Lagos at the base. I they call her for phone. I don't say don't go join Yelala. I go to the talk to her. I don't say that don't go put load for your head. He say go join. I say, after we don't, why you not first job before? Now because let me say this one a problem. Now there go escalate. You know if me escalate, police must come. Now there me escalate. I say police must come. If police not come, I will not leave the house. And me that day, I need to do one that very day. I say police must come. Police to come. Yeah, she have to do that. So that is it. So me, I know they try because when I come out for Jeter, I repeat that when I come out for Jeter, I know yes say he date another man, but that when he can't tell that one say because I don't follow and go party, say he don't they talk another man don't they talk to her, he don't fall in love with that man. Now you
sure say na waiting you hear. Say don't do when you after many months when I come back, they tell you they don't fall in love with another man. He give me you pay. You sure say na waiting you hear.
Before we come back, the marriage don't they get problem. The marriage don't they get problem for Nigeria. Before I come for Nigeria, make I download you now. I tell you make I download you now. When I tell Lagos, this woman come tell me say she go come for my pray for Lagos, then she go pass come Europe. I come dey wait for this woman o. I come call her say my woman never come. He say he no get money. He say make I send motor. I say I go send motor come. Okay, you carry motor make take come. This woman don already tell Lagos. I don't know where he go sleep. I can't carry police go airport. As I can't carry police go airport. My friends, you know say if you no wan fly, they no go let you enter airport. But on say I come with police, they can't give me chance to enter airport. As I dey so I jump the woman. Woman, you want to tell say you dey for Benin? You don't tell Lagos. I know when you want to fly. I know the time when you fly there. I can say what you gonna do for? You want to tell me say you dey for Benin? For person I not come airport now, so if I take fly. So we can't see later settle the matter. I've been one boss that play that day. I know what I would have been Lagos boy. I'm going to call me. I know what I will boss problem will happen for airport. If he not go move, then the thing. But I can't look say the money where you go take buy ticket. Now that money go bill. We can't finally make peace. Everything can't get settled. Then now in brothers. Now me can't later carry the go house. If brother went follow I come for Lagos. Now my place they can't go sleep. The next day, now me pay for that transport when I take go back to Benin. Then when I come before I come reach Europe, in this room I don't everything just spoil. Wait, don't go join Ayilala. You know, so there's Ayilala people, there be stupid people. All these single mother, and then they join Ayilala. When they breach, they tie beat for waist.
Small. Ayilala na strong this thing.
Hey, to hide with them. If you want to talk cutting way high now, Bonnie. Me, I belong to Bonnie. May you go challenge me. I be Bonnie man.
Wife na Ayilala, husband na Uboni.
Oh, no, me I be Bonnie when I replace person. Go right now. I replace am. They use me replace person.
Okay, you na hereditary. You herit your own.
Yes. No be say I go join. I read am. So I know they use how they oppress somebody. You know me for Austria. I never have a problem. But if I get problem, I'll say police must come. If police not come, I know they go down. Because I know say I'm not right. I know say I'm not wrong. If I'm wrong, I know say I'm not wrong. Because I'm not wrong. I'm waiting they make police you always come. When police come, they will write my name down. Let me police they write my name down always. That is my goal. Because you see all these women waiting make me use that word just now. You know say I plus the way they hustle.
Wait.
And they always steal your money.
This one now wait your wife where you born now. What you call him again? Waiting he go do, waiting he go join. Ayilala. You now Boni, your pekin na go be ologun.
No, my pekin are very calm people. My pekin are very calm person.
Okay, let me say pastor.
No. My pekin cannot join pastor. Pastor they like too much.
Okay. This thing does tire me. On a be lovely couples before.
Me, even before I want come out, that thing will make me go in house. Now he carry phone call my friend. Now tell my friend say, okay, since this woman, I even sleep for her place that very day. I leave my phone for charger. I say this woman when they talk to another man, whether he use her make mouth or whether he don't use her make mouth, I don't know. That's what she said. And I make sure say somebody say weakness of it. He tell the person say he already the date and my guy can't even call me say for Italy say see what your woman tell me oh. He say he don't even the date another man. I say okay well I went to the place. Me I know the fear police.
Okay, speak up for Italy, man. Here, whether na him. Speak am. I say speak am.
No, na Austria then na Austria, not be Italy.
So I went to a place. I may not say I call police. I may not say I make problem. Police come. If police come, we'll be happy because
not be she call police and a police.
Now she use for call police now. Me I no go call police now. If you tell me say make I move, I hate oppression. If you tell me say make I move, I tell you I no go move. And when I no move, you gotta call police. Me I not like to hit you because if I want to beat woman, you go beat woman for where people say you no go fit show am. You no fit nickel. You no say if you slap woman for face, you go fit show out to people. Beat am where people say no fear no go let her show. Fear no go let her show say he beat am. And you wear hand glove. You have to wear hand glove.
But you not beat am. You not beat am.
I know the I know for fit this. I know for fit defend that one. No. But if you want to know whether the beat one go confirm for favor. Now favor go fit tell you say I dey beat or I no dey beat. You go ask favor that one because if I say I no beat am, I no like to beat one because na my mama dey forbid that too. Na my mama dey forbid that thing for. Other one be say I dey beat am. You know say if you woman don get where you don put eye, you come begin.
This woman try for you that time. I remember.
He give you money.
When you stand now, that time when you do Jete, he stand for you where now.
You no stand for me, oh. My money, the money when I use now my money, oh. You no give me one kobo. Even I from prison send money for am. If he lie, I from prison send money for am. He no give me one kobo. He no give me one naira. If he say stand for me, he no give me one naira. I dey talk enough for where this thing do. You know say person dey talk, make people dey lie. He no give me one naira. He no even give me 10. I know say person first enter prison now. Maybe you never get money.
Your money you take the chop that time for inside.
Yes, sir. He don't give me even 5 naira. Even when I try to say make you bring my boss as come, he no even bring my boss. Now so you run go Nigeria. He no bring my money, oh. He no bring money from me, oh. Even 5 naira, I say 5 naira. He no bring. You know say one thing about me. If I get problem under 1 week, all that week they don't give me work for inside prison. I go to work. So I don't really care about who is going to help me, who is not going to help me. She not give me.
Rambo,
you come shake breast. You come shake breast for inside glass. You come shake breast for inside glass.
The woman they come our life before, but I don't know the name again.
May they share the life give the woman for TikTok.
Waiting be your woman name for TikTok.
I don't give a F about her. I just tell to the first single mother. I am not the single father advocate. I'll be single father advocate. And as a challenger now, I want make she see come talk you. Then you come put everything online.
HP, you never still change. HP, you never still change.
Hey, who are you?
Now your woman be
HP,
you never still change.
You know see why you they don't have the voice. I be guru of all time. Anywhere I go, I make money.
HP, you don't love you don't.
HP, I don't challenge her now. I don't challenge her. He dey go Nigeria before.
Eparabo, if you give HP
If
time, make it take
you
talk.
go fit go Nigeria, if from 95 years time, you fit dey go Nigeria every time. For 95 years time now, I want to see how make it carry student go Nigeria. Make I
Eparambo.
put my hand. At
Eparambo.
least, before
If na
nothing,
give
I will
HP
be
time,
in Africa.
HP fit talk for nothing tomorrow, e no go stop.
Okay, you know him.
Who dey talk to?
I know HP.
Where you for now?
Now for Germany, now for season one, for first group. Now Joyce, now they talk HP.
Hey, I know.
HP, why you do like this? I dey fine. Why you dey do
How
this
about
thing?
dinner?
I think say you don't change.
They worry you. You don't marry. This guy said chop my money. This guy said chop my money. This guy chop my money. This said chop my money.
You chop your money. Why you
This
chop
chop
the
my
money?
money.
Why you
Answer
chop
my-
the money?
This said chop my money now, but you know my personal person.
HP,
I'm a personal person.
HP, stop, I beg, stop.
Send me your number. Send me your number.
No, I don't go
Send me
send
your
that for you
number.
because no, I don't go send that for you because you never change. I don't go send that for you. You
Said
never
that
your
change.
number.
she never married.
I
No,
don't-
you should do 5 wives.
Send me your number.
No, I don't go send that for you. HP, I don't go send that for you.
Hey, where you for
Yeah,
now?
problem.
Na like you have been at Europe. Rambo, where they for no?
No, I know about Germany.
Friend,
Now Germany they for no.
friend.
Where you they
HP,
stay?
abeg.
Now my friend, where you they stay?
They stay Germany.
Leave me.
Who they talk?
Now Leo, I don't
I don't
know.
go tell you.
But you know
I
the
know.
single mother.
You never see married.
We should. I don't marry. Rest. You want marry me? Leave.
I go fit marry you now.
HP, my money spender. My money.
This girl really chopping money. Use her beauty flat. You
HP.
use the money beauty flat.
I don't
HP,
say
my
chop my
man.
money. No. The guy that fine girl, he gets kids. You know how to take money from man with cool voice. You see how they eat well. If you tune your brain, you will drop money.
Hey,
You're a
yeah.
good girl, a nice girl. A nice girl.
HP. Leo, wait. HP. I beg, I want make you and die or lady a woman. But they agree make you see your children, Abi.
To her, and now poor man, then they go kill say they find children. If I want to see children, I will go to government. I will make us again. Government will give me time to see the children, but I'm not interested at this moment. I just want her to fly first. When she don't fly well, it will carry me go court. Now that court need me the expect, but at this moment I'm not the Austral. Now that court that they wait for. If I don't they buy things for them, I got them. I don't they buy things for her. Now later when my cousin say he won't begin take my time, now I stop. And evidence is there. And they go buy for Africa for. I will say may go carry her for there. So when I come say don't they take advantage, now I can't stop. Make you know say if you give woman a chance to the you to do, you go think say the you the work. You know say you don't give her a chance. So make it come like say maybe I dey force am. Now me can't stop. You know say they give woman. You say if they buy food for children, they carry bag of rice. You can't say maybe you see the bag am. She can't see wants to insult you. If the one make the insult you, I tell you go stop.
HP, I understand, say, waiting this woman do you. You know, they okay, in as much as say I never hear from the woman. Now I make her not crucify and sense. Because I not feel just crucify and when I never hear waiting go come out from her mouth. Now waiting you tell us now. Now waiting will tell hope for you.
Rambo, make I even shock you. Do you know when I did that, I come to this woman say, help me go take my passport for Nigeria embassy. The slip of my transport. I get bancomat I get bancomat for Austria. I get my bancomat. I get bancomat for Germany. I get bancomat for Italy. The thing they inside the wallet, the slip of my passport. This woman can't go take my passport. All the today, this wallet, I never get this one. I tell her, say, I can't go Nigeria embassy. I say, make I call this woman come. I can't tell him, I say, how you take get the slip? When you take go collect this passport? The slip dey inside my wallet. I dey come for airport night. Because you are a bad guy, I will not leave you. I say Joyce say guilty or not guilty. I tell Joyce I'm not guilty. I need to stay here for even 2 years. Then Joyce say I don't give you 10 months. You don't just pay 10 months. They go. I tell Joyce say no. The content say those people when when they accuse me for, he no fit see them. So make me just take the time, make her dey go house. Before I come, so can accept. So can I will go home. I can't carry this woman now. Before I come up for Austria now, I can't say, I can't go Nigeria embassy. I say, this passport, the slip of this passport, it is on my wallet. Inside that wallet, I also get Bitcoin when I buy 2017. Bitcoins, I buy Bitcoins 2017. It did everything there inside this wallet. Ultimately, this wallet, I cannot find this wallet. I ask this woman, say, how you take the slip? Because without slip, Nigeria embassy no will give you passport. If this woman come now, talk now, you will get evidence to crucify me. But the good part of it say, me, I don't give up. And I want where you go, where you go lie, so that I will get evidence. If anything happen, I will just go for the person page. I will get the video. I will present them. Even do marriage, say you know even change my name to change name to my name. Even do marry my name, he never change the name. He name still remain papa name, Precious. He name for his TikTok page now, Precious Ipomosa. He never even change my name. And even my pikin self, now he take put for his Facebook page, Precious Ipomosa. He never even change my name he never even change her name to my name. Even 1 minute before the marriage in Dabaru. Now that's why I tell say, if you want marry for Benin, if they carry you go, you Benin, no accept to. Make sure say you go the woman village. If you want you go do for like upper, I'll go do for normal yo. Now fake to not say you go to woman village. Even when I go,
Mona share the life, give her precious.
even when I still come out, I want go do my package of my document issue. This woman still try to even cause problem between me and my friend. Try to communicate. Tell say they don't kill my document. I say my document. Who they kill my document? Nobody can kill my document. Also government don't kill my document because nobody they give me. It's time my friend say they don't kill my document. When I come, my friend won't begin to do anyhow. That time say my guy, hey look, me I can talk anytime when I want to talk. Oh, you no fit bring me down. Oh, I don't know what you and my wife, you and my ex-wife they talk. Oh, now that time my friend say right now I dey leave your place here. The day when I dey come up for Austria, I said something. I sell my car. I tell her, say, I dey go now. Now I still go. I tell her, say, you know if you intimidate me, oh. You have to be careful because a friend of your enemy, a friend of you, he become a friend of your enemy, it's your enemy. I was even scared. When then I decided to leave my friend because she was also in contact with that my friend. And if that my friend was my best friend. She made sure say it caused problem. It disorganized us, but I'm very happy today. If you see my woman now, my woman not be poor man. If you see woman now when I will marry, between that in 5 months time, I will go Africa, I go to another marriage. It will be